Alright, time to go shopping. Need to grab some supplies for MJM Graphics and Photography. And also, it was my son's birthday. I had to wait till payday to get him something. Grab him my external hard drive, some cash. That's my bad truck right there. Boom. Right, cool. Let's go. Alright, just arrived over at my nephew's and my mom's place. Gonna pick her up, take her with me shopping today. For Devin stuff. She likes to do that kind of stuff. Check it out. Yeah, we're here. This is it. Dave's grandma.
Oh, did they leave?
I guess so. There's Brianna's car.
Oh, I don't know who's home and who isn't.
What's up, Mel?
Oh, there they are.
Where you guys going?
Oh, there's Seth as we speak. Going to Walmart, get some stuff. Get Devin a hard drive sent to him. Get some ink for MJM Graphics. Got that job I'm doing, so. That jewelry catalog?
How much are you getting?
Alright, gotta go.
Hold on.
Okay. Damn, that car just came out of nowhere. Oh, Popo. Boom. It's all over. The end.
Yeah, they crashed.
Here we are, Walmart's. And that's my mom. Okay, time to shop at Walmart. Gotta love Walmart. Huh?
You need this card or not?
Yeah. Zoom the whole time. Duh.
Oh, it's looked like a picture, okay.
This is pretty. Oh, look at this fat chiles. Giggity. Huh?
What did you do?
Yeah, it's a movie.
No.
Alright, we're gone. We're done. Just spent ridiculous amounts of money.
Yes, you did. Here, I gotta go down the ramp.